Alright people, go in and make a small video here. Go in and change this EGR cooler, loosen coolant from in the radiator, and I go in the overflow bottle. This video is made in Trinidad and Tobago. Yeah, this is on the twin cam Ford Ranger or the Mazda B50, the older one, same engine. Yeah, this is the oil cooler. Sorry, EGR cooler. Yeah. Alright, so I'll take out the two water line. Yeah, that's what it look like there. So I'm gonna take him out there now. Alright people, this is the old one. Well, not the old, but the one I'm replacing with this one. So what was happening is that again compression coming through the radiator, but I'm not losing any water, it's just pushing in the overflow bottle. And this is one of the simpler symptoms as opposed to the head gasket. So I'm changing this to ensure that it's not the head gasket. Alright, so I hit him a copper spray to seal the gasket in. Alright, next one install. Yeah. Install. EGR cooler change.